This is 7.5 task number 6. It says an airplane is descending, so it's flying down, and it's approaching an airport. The angle of depression here is 7 degrees, and the plane is 2,000 feet above the ground. So what is the distance from the plane to the airport? So we start by drawing a right triangle. And then here is my plane up here. Sorry, it's not the greatest plane, so I'll label it as airplane. And the angle of depression is 7 degrees. That angle of depression is if you look horizontally from the airplane and then down. So it's actually on the outside of that triangle. So you can approach this problem in different ways. So one of the ways is saying, hey, this angle up here is also 90 degrees, so the remaining angle is 83 degrees. You can also say that since the angle outside is the alternate interior to the inside, that this angle down here is 7 degrees. So either way, the next part of the question says that the plane is 2,000 feet above the ground. So here's the ground, the airplane is 2,000 feet above. So that's our measurement of one of the legs here. And then our airport is to the right. So here's our airport. Now, again, you can kind of view this with multiple ways. You can say that this is the distance, x is the distance from the airplane to the airport, or y is the distance from the airplane to the airport. So we're going to go ahead and start with x. If you notice, 2,000 is directly across from the 7-degree angle, so that is the opposite side. And then x is our hypotenuse. So we have opposite over hypotenuse. That is our ratio for sine. So we have sine of 7 degrees, or sine 7 equals 2,000 over x. And then we multiply both sides of this equation by x. The x's cancel out. So we are left with x times sine of 7 equals 2,000. Then we divide both sides by sine 7. So we have x equals 2,000 divided by sine of 7. Now we can use the calculator to get the measurement. So we have 2,000 divided by sine of 7. That's about 16,411. So x is about 16,411 feet. So another way to solve is if you want to use the 83-degree angle, you can write tangent of 83 degrees equals y divided by 2,000. And then here you get y is about 16,288.7 feet.